So in this problem, we are asked to solve by completing the square. We're given x squared plus 4x equals 5. Process is the same as what we were doing with expressions, only what we do to one side, we have to do to the other side. So we have x squared plus 4x equals 5. I'm leaving a space because I'm going to add here. We have 4 for our b. Remember, we're looking at the form ax squared plus bx plus c, and to complete the square, we have b divided by 2 squared. So 4, we'll go ahead and write that out. 4 divided by 2 squared, that's 2 squared, which equals 4. So this ends up becoming x squared plus 4x plus 4 equals 5 plus 4. Remember what we do to one side, we do to the other. So now we write this as a perfect square binomial. So this ends up being x plus 2. Remember, it's what's inside the parentheses. B divided by 2 is 4 divided by 2. So this is x plus 2 squared equals 5 plus 4 is 9. Now we take the square root of both sides. Remember, we have plus or minus on the right-hand side. So now we have x plus 2 equals plus or minus 3. We'll go ahead and write that out as two separate options. So x plus 2 equals negative 3, or x plus 2 equals 3. We could have gone ahead and written x equals negative 2 plus or minus 3, but I went ahead and wrote it out like this to recognize that it's the same thing. X plus 2 equals negative 3, subtract 2 from both sides, x equals negative 5, or x equals 3 minus 2 is 1. If we check those, negative 5 squared is 25, plus 4 times negative 5 is negative 20. So 25 minus 20 does equal 5. And then 1 squared plus 4 times 1 is 4. 1 squared is 1 plus 4 does equal 5. So those check. And you could simply substitute those in on paper if you wanted to check those formally.